guys, it's me, Erin. Summer is almost coming to an end, but no summer is complete without watermelon. So today I have a nail look inspired by this delicious summer fruit. If you want to learn how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Start off by painting your nails with a base coat. Next, take a bright red polish, paint it onto a makeup sponge, and start sponging this onto the lower 2/3 of your nail. Sorry that my hand was blocking the camera this whole time, I had no idea, but basically just repeat this process 2 or 3 times to build up the opacity. When the red polish dries, take a white polish and paint a crescent shape on the very tip of your nail. And repeat this to build up the opacity. While we wait for the white polish to dry, we can draw in the watermelon seeds. So take a nail art pen or a black polish with a fine tip paintbrush and start drawing in 3 seeds near the beginning of the red ombre. Now take a light green polish and paint this over the white, leaving just a little bit near the red for the watermelon rind. After this dries, paint another coat to build up the opacity. Finish it off with a nice thick layer of top coat to lock in that design. And that is it! Honestly, these nails are so cute and perfect for the summer, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I enjoy watermelon. If you want to see more nail looks by me, please like this video and subscribe down below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.